The pericardium meridian is the complementary meridian to the triple warmer meridian or the triple burner meridian, triple energizer meridian. The pericardium meridian runs down the center of the yin side of the arm, the triple warmer meridian down the center of the yang side of the arm. Pericardium meridian, similar to the heart meridian, has only 9 points, and there are a few of them that we're going to be concerned with. Let me just show you the basic pathway of the pericardium meridian, and then we'll look at the individual points. The pericardium meridian begins on the chest, 5 divisions lateral to the midline. So the mid-clavicular line is 4 divisions lateral to the midline. In the 4th intercostal space, which is the level of the nipple, we go 5 divisions lateral. So just 1 division lateral to the nipple, we find pericardium 1. Pericardium 2 is located 2 divisions inferior to the axillary fold between the heads of the bicep brachii muscle. So we might recall that the lung 3 is 3 divisions below the axillary fold, and it's on the border of the deltoid. So lung 3 is about here, pericardium 2 is about here. So pericardium 1, pericardium 2. Pericardium 3, also similar to lung 5. Lung 5 is on the radial side of the tendon of the biceps brachii, and pericardium 3 is on the ulnar side of the tendon. So pericardium 3 is found here in the cubital crease, just on the ulnar side of the tendon. Then pericardium 4, pericardium 5, and pericardium 6 are found along the center of the arm, in between palmaris longus and flexor radialis tendons. Pericardium 4 is 5 divisions up from the wrist crease. So the distance from the wrist crease to the cubital crease of the arm is 12 divisions. So half of that would be 6. 1 division less brings us to pericardium 4 at 5 divisions up. Pericardium 5 is 3 divisions up. So if we use Monique's thumb divisions, which equal my fingers, 3 divisions up puts us here for pericardium 5. And pericardium 6 is 2 divisions up, which puts us right about here, in between palmaris longus and brevis tendons. Now you can feel the tendons usually quite clearly here on most people at pericardium 6. Pericardium 6 is a very important point. It's one of those 3-star, 5-star points, very important for treating emotional disorders, for treating any kind of disorders with the heart, palpitations, brachycardia, many different reasons for using pericardium 6. And it's also quite commonly used when treating the 8 extraordinary meridians. So pericardium 6 is right here, 2 sun, proximal to the wrist crease. Pericardium 7 is at the wrist crease, in the center of the wrist. And pericardium 8, similar to the heart meridian, if I ask our model to make a loose fist for us, where her middle finger touches her palm, brings us to pericardium 8. So heart 8 was where the pinky finger touches the palm, and where the middle finger touches the palm is pericardium 8. It's really right in the center of the palm. So let me show you needling a few of these points, pericardium 3 and pericardium 6 in particular. Pericardium 3 is located just on the ulnar side of the biceps brachii tendon. And pericardium 6 also can be quite a tender point on some people, so we always needle it very gently, and we approach the point gently. We never want to needle it rapidly, but if you needle it gently, you should be just fine. Very slowly we set the needle. Okay? Very good. Let's move on to the next meridian.